Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most start with today's news. Alright, so Marco van Basten will be like one of the legends of Netherlands football. Kokomasa can give in 2 cents on the player where Arsenal just signed will be Julian Timber. So Marco van Basten can talk say Arsenal don't really sign a player. We will say they panic if in there for the back line because the ball is cool, calm and collected. And say even they play for Ajax, they play for a back four. But if they play for Netherlands or if you like Holland, they play for a back three and they play for the right side of the back three. So Babako they like given that the attributes say Arsenal have signed a gem, like a boy with a very, very huge potential. At 22, he has a lot of experience. He's played more than 200 games. Even Virgil van Dijk said, come outside, talk a lot of good things about the boy. Welcome on to the EPL. Say Arsenal don't really know the kind of player they've got in their ranks. Like Marco van Basten talk say for Netherlands, so this Timber is more important than even Virgil van Dijk. Why? Because of that his attitude of not panicking and how to progress ball. Not be every defender be progressive defenders when they carry ball, run, like they move forward, they get. So this boy has those kind of attributes, and these are the things we make Arteta see, identify. Because say, Edu, get me that boy again. That is why we brought him. Now for Talk Sports, they're going to do an expose. They're going to ask where is Arteta going to play Julian Timber, because they have Ben White, they have Cedric Suarez, they have Tomiyasu. How is he going to do it? So some people going to bring the opinion, say Arteta will do what Pep do with John Stones, with migrate Stones going to enter midfield. So next season you may be seeing a Benjamin White playing as a holding midfield, like different options again, because now we have a lot of versatile players in our ranks. So at the end of the day, we'll see how Arteta will use the guy. So now it's on the official. Arsenal don't already announced Julian Timber deal. Welcome to Arsenal. So Timber said a lot of things in his first media outing. He's saying don't be Arsenal fan from when he be small boy. They can't even show like clips of him when he did very, very small. His brothers also now Arsenal fans. So for that reason, he just rub off on him. He can't become Arsenal fan automatically. They can't talk say in the future he won't play for Arsenal, and his dream just came true now because Arsenal don't sign up. So it is what it is. We are happy with him. Edu Gaspar and Arteta and I welcome him for Arsenal. Welcome to Arsenal. Blah blah blah. I don't show the video, so let's just watch how everything is going. I wish him all the best of luck at Arsenal. Alright, so Arsenal don't finally sign the documents and deliver them to West Ham. That was late in the night. I saw the reports. Even Sky Sports self come break and say Arsenal don't already sign the reports to West Ham. They don't sign the player away. They won't sign like. Maybe today now we are hoping that Arsenal and West Ham will announce the deal today, because they won't make the guy follow them travel we get, so that he go play the match. I think it's tomorrow we are playing MLS All Stars, so they want him to partake or at least be in the stadium we get. Even if they don't announce everything, we will say no more issue, because Arsenal kept to their promise. They gave West Ham a promise that on Friday they were going to sign the deal and send it over, and they did it. Even like in the evening when I did the evening updates, the live, as of that time, Arsenal, according to Sports Bible and other sources, Arsenal never even signed the paper to send that. So it was in the night, late in the night, they can't sign that. So we are all happy. So after that one, they're going to look who they depart for Arsenal. So those that are departing, once they leave, they will look at more reinforcements, more incomings, because that's what Fabrizio Romano is saying, that as Arsenal did now, they may still sign some more people you get. But even talk say based on Partey going or Partey staying, just talk say he don't check Arsenal list as it stands now. Arsenal is looking to recruit more midfielders because everybody the para. You get one report I see yesterday of the fastest players in the EPL. Double exposed lie. The guy fast gone. The guy fast. So I don't say the guy didn't speedy like that. And another attribute to us is the guys are play free kick, which means Liverpool now don't buy free kick taker as a professional. Tottenham Hotspur don't buy medicine, another free kick taker. So when we play against these people, we'll be very, very careful on how we give some kind foul in front of our box 18, because these guys, they're very, very dangerous. Medicine to Spurs, Dominic Spurs like to Liverpool. Watch out. Alright, so what we're going to hear now be say Arsenal don dey set to reject the £2.5 million bid for Rob Holding that came from Besiktas, a Turkish team. Now, a lot of people they say the money is too small. I mean, too, I think it is too small. Come on now, the guy is a veteran again, so it is too small. But how much Arsenal wants me them pay them for the guy? And Arsenal even want to let him go because I know say I thought I get this unspoken bond with that guy again, just like the guy on the Arsenal since 2016. They signed him from Bolton, so I never know how much they place my head. But more just because Besiktas still like the boy and they still want to offer their like a bigger bid. So more just watch. I don't say IS now still below 10 million share. Like they still carry that. So let's just watch it. Alright, so for the friendly match we'll play against Nürnberg, so can you just say I think that they impressed by 3 young stars in the first team, and then be Ethan Nwaneri, Miles Lewis Kelly, and Russell Walters. If you remember for that match, they come out Ben White, they come pull Walters because the guy that's in a center back in me know they really follow all of the 21, but at least I know Skelly and I know Ethan Nwaneri. And Ethan Nwaneri is shine well for the match. We make a lot of people want to clap for her. Even Arsenal even post that in Tony. Come on, Tony, when do sharp Tony? When do like 2-3 defender and midfielders together, people come clap for her. Arsenal really post and they say, the caption was, it's cold. So it is what it is. I think that's really impressed with those players. I remember that he promoted them to the first team, so more just watch. But I know say last now loan they will come out. So as of now, I guess Arsenal did London. I don't come back to London, preparing to fly out to America. So that's what I heard. So wish them all the best of luck. Alright, so Ajax don't post a farewell video of Julian Timber where Timber can they address some kind of youngsters for Ajax. Can they tell them to say once upon a time I was like you, because they can show himself when he very very young when he for Ajax gets. So I was like you, I had ambitions, and today I'm going to fulfill my dream again. So you can still grow. Ajax now a place for players to grow. So we wish him all the best of that. And that ever reminds me, do you know that yesterday I told you a story about Dusan Tadic, the captain of Ajax, when Vex say no go return to preseason because Ajax sell Julian Timber because he's one of the bright lights, one of the stars of the team. Say as the guy come out, their defense go dey leak like mad. Like I mention many names, they don't sell Nazari, they sell that one and go give Bayern. They sell Ryan Gravenberch, they sell and go give Bayern. They sell De Jong, go give Barcelona. You get to the mention player, they sell Lisandro Martinez, go give Manchester United. Like to the mention, they sell Daley Blind, Manchester United. So mention many names. Now Timber to Arsenal for that reason. You know they come again say Arsenal Ajax no get team again, say they be shit packer. So yesterday he come send a report, like a letter officially requesting for Ajax to cancel the contract. This is their captain, you know. So when they cancel the contract, say no fit play for Ajax, they decide to ship packer now because they don't even make Champions League again. So Ajax can humbly accept the request. They sign the paper. He's not a free agent, so he's for market now available to transfer to any club. I want to see the power of Julian Timber, like they carry Vex, say, "Wow, I could sell my nigga." So it is what it is. So I don't know where Dusan Tadic will go. So I say make I just let you know because I told you about the story yesterday. Say in there on strike, say no go train, say unless and then bring back some players because they don't sign anybody. Like Ajax, they don't be shadow of themselves, they don't sell all their stars. This was what was wrong with Arsenal during Arsene Wenger era, where we sell our best players every season. But since we don't build our stadium, we are not really owing much debts like that. So we are self-sufficient. We sustain ourselves with the revenue they generate from what we do. We don't get oil money anywhere. So we are very, very careful with what we are doing. So as I even let you know, financial fair play don't find Manchester United about 200 something thousand. Don't forget how much it be. Now small fine for the that is why man you know really they spend money this time around. They spend money like before again because financial fair play they scam them like mad. So they give them a small fine, say they breach the law, not be too much again. So and the way expect I see what they will do. Chelsea will spend over 600 million. Make I see what they will do Chelsea. Alright, so people like Eddie Nketiah come as I come talk saying they're very very happy to guide Ethan Nwaneri because they show 2 of them where they train, you get for that Germany where they go. So they say they're happy to guide the boy. The boy is an upcoming player. You get say everybody get ambition to succeed for Arsenal. Say for him now, in biggest dream that to play Champions League football for Arsenal. Say can't wait when that Champions League anthem will blast for the Emirates Stadium. You get when go to wear the red shirt of the Arsenal, come outside, don't play. Say can't wait to experience that because so everybody can is dream, you can dream. They don't call money to dream, you get. So I just pray he achieves his dream and succeeds at Arsenal because in case I don't really suffer for Arsenal, guy don't pay for a year gone. So I wish him all the best of luck. Alright, away from that, so Real Madrid don't come outside to reject the advances of Chelsea and Arsenal for Aurelien Tchouameni, say they won't sign him. So Real Madrid feels they're not really in the position to sell a defensive central. They let us know that news. Although the transfer window is still long, anything can still happen. Forget all this they talk on the surface. Underground, deals feel they go low key, you don't go know as they up. So I still believe if Real Madrid wants to sign Mbappe, that's because say PSG give Mbappe a deadline of this July. Say after July, let us know your plan. Otherwise, we'll put it for markets. So I believe say by August, now they will really know Real Madrid true intention. If they want to sign Mbappe, they need to sell because they've already spent 100 million, about 150 million for Jude Bellingham. So bringing out another 150 million will be a huge task. You get. And PSG are very, very desperate to sell Mbappe because he has 1 year left on his deal. If they allow him to finish that 1 year, he's going as a free agent. So they don't want that. PSG for this summer transfer, they don't sign like 7-8 players to show they're not really play. They can live without Mbappe. Even the president Al Khalifi, they talk say, check out the clubs that won the Champions League in the last 5 years. All those clubs that win the Champions League, none of them had Mbappe in their team. So it doesn't mean that if Mbappe go, we're not going to win Champions League because Champions League is the holy grail they are still looking for. Say if Mbappe leaves, we can still sign our own Champions League. We can still win our own Champions League. So it is what it is. Now what Baba explains. They say it's not a do or die affair. So let's not be watching how everything goes. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.